So I woke up this morning and I was going to go check my crypto, man. I was on Trust Wallet. I clicked it, and then this message popped up. The message, hold on, I still got the message. The message says the in-app browser has been removed per App Store guidelines. Funds associated with DApps are safe and can be accessed via a web browser. When I seen that, I freaked out. I immediately screenshotted it. I sent it to John. I was like, bro, John, what's going on? John's like, all right, man, let me figure this out. He goes on the internet. He's like, oh, yeah, update 6.0 for iOS for Trust Wallet. It's no more, bro. And I was freaking. I was like, okay, what is the solution? What do I got to do? What do I got to do? And I remembered I had MetaMask. So I was like, all right, cool. I have a solution. I'm going to figure this out. And in this video, we're just going to basically be talking about what happened with the DApp and why it actually got removed and all of that. And then in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be showing you guys the solution that I figured out. And then in the video after that, John's going to actually be showing you his method and what he figured out. So it's definitely going to be a very interesting episode. So hopefully you guys stick around to the end to find out exactly what's going on. Stay tuned. What's up, my fellow investors? My name is Mike.
I'm John.
And we are Crypto Logic, the #1 podcast that keeps you informed on what, how, and most importantly, why to invest in cryptocurrency. Now, guys, if you're anything like me and you've seen that pop up on your Trust Wallet, you probably freaked out. Because when I seen it, I freaked out. I called John. John was like, what are you talking about?
I didn't see it.
John didn't see it at all. But I think it's partly because, like, I tell my apps to update themselves, and John's like the opposite. He's like, I want to update them on my own. So it's probably my fault that I'm freaking out. But nonetheless, I freaked out. So John, can you kind of explain to them what happened? Why did all this happen? And what's going on with Trust Wallet, bro?
Yes, so Trust Wallet has to, with their new update with 6.0, they had to comply with the App Store guidelines. So they had to remove it because
it's always something.
Yeah, Apple doesn't really like having third-party browsers within another app because they can't really control where you go from there in that regard. But it's like they'll probably be back using that method again. Like the browser will probably be back. They just gotta make sure it coincides with what Apple wants in regards of their guidelines. So, but you know. That's the reason why that it had to be removed for now. So it only is going to be removed if you update the app.
I mean, low-key, I was freaking out because I was just worried about my crypto. I'm like, well, what's going to happen with my crypto? Is it like, what? Is it still going to be there? Do I have to move it? Like what? Like I didn't know.
Yeah, your funds are going to be safe, #1. So all your investments are going to be fine. Android users have no reason to worry. This doesn't affect them at all.
Android users.
Yeah. It can't be re-enabled though. So this app, if you're using an iPhone, you cannot. Once you update the app, there's no going back. So your browser's gone. But the solutions that we came up with will take care of it. You don't have to worry about it. Your funds are going to be safe. For the users who want to use Trust Wallet and the users who just kind of want to do something different.
Right. Yeah, we're definitely gonna be making the videos for you guys, and if they're already up, we'll leave the links up here somewhere so you guys can check that out. But honestly, guys, this happens a lot. You know, there's a lot of things that's going on with the crypto space right now, and you got to just learn to adapt, like John said, man. And it's not something to freak out about, even though I did freak out. I really did. And
what are you talking about?
Yeah, you know, it's common. You know, you don't know. If you don't know certain things, you freak out. That's what you do. And a lot of people freak out when they see like dips or red in the actual graph, you know. But you know, if you watched our channel at any amount of time, you know that that's actually a good thing, because what goes up actually does come down. So you just buy the dip and then it'll end up going back green again. So yeah, so we actually didn't want to make a super duper long video. We just really want to get this news out for you guys, just in case you were freaking out like me or weren't freaking out like John. And we'll get those videos out for you guys as soon as possible, okay? Thank you so much for watching today's video. We do hope you guys found some value. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed crypto news, reviews, and tips, I guess. All right, take care, God bless, be safe. Peace.